Good day and welcome to Sure and Reptile. We have actually an awesome snake here today. One I removed the night before yesterday at a friend's house. The southern brown egg eater. Now we get a few egg eaters in South Africa. The common egg eater and then the rhythmic egg eater. This is the southern brown one. You only find them in certain parts of South Africa. It's a very thin line in where you will see the southern brown egg eater. Awesome snakes. They swallow the egg, for example, up to their throat, where they've got a mechanism that helps them crush the egg. Then they just take out all the nutrients on the inside and then regurgitate just the shell. So they leave a small package for you, especially for bird keepers. Egg eaters can be problematic because they can eat multiple eggs at a time. So let's grab this light oak out and then view him to you guys. They are harmless, but please kids, whenever you see people like me handle snakes or free handle snakes, don't imitate what we do. Some snakes are venomous or can cause you serious bites. So please, don't try what we do and be safe. Huh? Call somebody to help you guys. There you have it, the southern brown egg eater. Brownish color with a yellowish side. They can display a very aggressive. They sometimes flatten themselves or bulk themselves up, and then they will show aggression. Although they're harmless, I still don't want to try and get bitten by them. Let's see if I can get him in a better hold. There you can see. He's very agitated. Yeah. Beautiful snakes. Beautiful snakes. They sometimes rub their bodies against their scales, and then by the sound that it makes like a hissing sound. So yeah, beautiful snake. There you guys. It's an awesome snake, this. Let me just bring him a little slightly closer for you guys to have a nicer look at him. If he just wants to keep still for a bit. I don't want to agitate him or hurt him. Although I'm holding him here, I can actually feel the roughness in his scales. Yeah, they're quite rough. They feel almost like a very fine file. Very good looking snake. He will be released tonight because they are nocturnal. They go about at night looking for eggs that they can eat and swallow. This guy's a very busy guy. Doesn't want to sit still for a bit. But yeah, beautiful snake. The southern brown egg eater that will be released tonight, and yeah, hopefully we'll see a few more in the up and coming years. I'm not quite sure. This looks to be a male, so yeah, hopefully there's a female around here that he can meet up and have some offspring at the end of the day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, and please do like, share, follow, subscribe. It all depends on what platform you are, and have an awesome day.